What's up, guys? This is Dr. Martin, and thank you so much for being one of my followers. So this year, I've actually been observing how life has been and how trading has been. Obviously, with the way I think, I've been able to actually see and identify the need to actually have motivation that comes through my channels. That would be YouTube, Instagram, and otherwise. So with that being said, I am doing this video to announce to you that there will be a series of videos that we do every single Mondays, and those will be called Martin Monday Motivations. And this is a series where I will be sharing my thoughts about it and things that I've observed in life. And this is a segment in my Instagram to basically showcase some of the thoughts that I do have in my personal space. So this is something that I want to announce to you guys and that you guys must be ready for. Thank you so much for following, and do share this video so it can reach more people's lives, and that we can obviously expand the motivation that we give out to Instagram. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, obviously you can see that it wants you to follow me, so go ahead, click that follow button, bro. Signing out.